How to streamline your sales so you can double your business while taking more time off. Would you like to double your business or more in the next 12 months while taking more time off and actually working less so you can stop trading hours for dollars and you can actually enjoy your life again? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Hi, I'm Dr. Noah St. John. I am the founder of SuccessClinic.com and the host of the 12-week breakthrough. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. Now, this is part of my 7-figure fast track course. All right, if you haven't already done so, go to freegiftfromnoah.com and get the entire course, because I am giving you things in this course that I didn't give you on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you go to freegiftfromnoah.com and get the entire course, including bonuses that I did not put here on YouTube. All right, so here it is. We are now in module number 6, your sales systemization streamline. All right, so there it is. Right there in module 6, you can see, boom, there it is. And you just click that button and it'll open up the PDF just like I do. Now notice what I am giving you. I'm handing you. I'm literally giving this to you for free. All of this information that cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars to get, right? And over 20 years, because I had to go to gurus who can't teach their way out of a paper bag. So I am saving you time. I'm saving you money. I'm saving you effort. And I'm saving you the pain, torment, and agony that I had to go through in order to get this information. You're welcome. All right. So here it is right here. Sales systemization streamline. Hey there, sales strategists. Now that you've got your marketing momentum, right? That's what we just talked about in our previous module. Now it's time to turn that interest into income. Yeah. This module is all about creating a sales process that works for you so you don't have to work so hard, right? So many entrepreneurs who I coach who come to me and they say, Noah, I've gone to all these seminars. I'm working hard. All they're talking about is the hustle and the grind. I'm hustling, I'm grinding, but man, I am stuck. I'm plateaued. So when you go to coachingwithnoah.com, you can just see some of the reviews, not only from celebrities that I've helped to make a lot of money, but regular, everyday business owners and entrepreneurs just like you who I've helped to make hundreds of millions of dollars over the last 25 years, right? Bill's doing multi-billion-dollar deals, Brittany's $40 million testimonial, and on and on and on. And there it is. You can just see all of that at coachingwithnoah.com or noahstjohn.com/reviews. Just hundreds and hundreds of real people, real stories, people just like you who I have helped make a lot of money while winning their lives back. All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to outline a step-by-step sales system that's efficient, effective, and enjoyable. What? For both you and your clients. So why you want to do this? So you can start converting prospects into paying clients with ease, creating a steady stream of income from your expertise so you can stop trading time for dollars. All right, so first of all, map out your journey, map out your sales funnel stages, map out the journey your client will take from discovering you to buying from you, right? It's not enough to just have people hear about you, right? That's what we've started with, right? We started with getting that attention. We talked about that in our earlier modules, but now we got to make some money here, right? So here are my sales funnel. Now you can go to shopnoahstjohn.com or noahstjohn.com/shop and see what I do here, right? So for example, here's mentoring with Noah. If you're making at least $500,000 a year, you want to get private mentoring with me so we can scale you up to 7 and even 8 figures. And you can see everything there at noahmentor.com. Read that page and you can even submit your application right here. Just fill out the form, boom. And either me or one of my coaches, success coaches, you can have a breakthrough consultation. We'll show you how to do that. All right. So that is noahmentor.com. And then this is how I help you master your inner game, right? So here is Power Habits Academy. This is my flagship inner game course. I show you how to master the power habits of unconsciously successful people. This is one of the things that have helped my clients make billions of dollars over the last 25 years. So powerhabitsacademy.com. Another thing that I invented back in 1997 is something called affirmations. When you go to affirmations.com, you can actually join my affirmations advantage. This is my flagship inner game program about how to master my affirmations method. All right. So these are some of the entry point offers that I teach people. By the way, there are a lot of marketers out there that call it a tripwire, right? A tripwire. By the way, and I've always hated that. And do you know why? Because do you know what a tripwire is? Well, a tripwire is a wire that is used in war to blow people up. And as soon as the marketers came out with that, I heard so many gurus talking about a tripwire, and I was sitting there going, why are you blowing people up? Why would you want to do that? Don't you want to help people? I guess you want to blow people up. I always thought that was the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Why are you blowing people up? So I simply call it an entry point offer. Isn't that a lot nicer? It's like, come on in, here we go. You know, you can go to breakthroughwithnoah.com. You can go to 7figureexpertbook.com. You can go to shopnoahstjohn.com. We're not blowing people up. We're helping people. All right. So sometimes the gurus say things that don't make any sense at all. And yet what happens is it's like the emperor's new clothes, right? Everybody says, oh, wow, look at all his nice clothes. And meanwhile, there's a kid going, he's not wearing anything, right? I'm that kid. I'm going, they're blowing people up. Kind of dumb. But anyway, that's why you got to be careful who you listen to out there. All right. So there's some examples that I just gave you. you. All right. So you can start putting that together for yourself. Next, clarify your conversion path. All right. Specify and define the specific actions you want prospects to take at each stage of the funnel. All right. So that's, again, we call it an entry point offer. Then we have a bridge offer. Then we have a main offer. All right. So I give my clients a fill in the blank formula to create their ideal conversion path. All right. Again, you can get some inspiration here at shopnoahstjohn.com. Get unstuck now. Affirmations Advantage. We also have done for you IAForm audios. People absolutely love those. You can get IAForm audios if you want to up-level your online business. Get 7-figure machine. And there you go. All right. So all of that there at shopnoahstjohn.com. Then you want to automate your process. You want to choose tools or software that can help you automate as many parts of your sales process as you possibly can. So what I recommend people do is use clicknoah.com. Clicknoah.com. Now what that is, when you go to clicknoah.com, it'll take you to a 2-week free trial of ClickFunnels with my good friend Russell Brunson. He and I have been friends for well over 15 years. I've known him forever. So anyway, just go to clicknoah.com, and that is my ClickFunnels affiliate page. As I mentioned, you get a 2-week free trial of ClickFunnels. What's really great about ClickFunnels is you can just literally, with the click of a mouse, actually import funnels. And that's one of the things that I help my clients with. But just go ahead and do that at clicknoah.com. You can get a free trial. Awesome. Then craft your pitch. You want to craft a persuasive pitch that highlights the benefit of your offer and address common objections. Objections, what does that mean? It means why people don't buy from you, right? They don't have the time. They don't have the money. Oh, I don't believe you. I don't think you can really help me. Or sure, it worked for everybody else, but it won't work for me. These are some of the common objections. So when you go to breakthroughwithnoah.com, as an example, you can see how I actually overcome all these common objections, right? Only for entrepreneurs doing at least 10K a month, right? So what am I doing right there? I'm actually talking to exactly who I want to talk to, right? People who I love working with. That is my sweet spot. People and entrepreneurs, business owners who are at that 6-figure level and want to scale up to the 7, that's my sweet spot. So whether you're making 10K or 20K or 30K a month, right? Maybe you're just hovering right around there, but you keep hitting that income ceiling, boom, that's who I help. And at noahmentor.com, Noah Mentor, that's for people who are maybe at the 50K or 100K and above, and you want to scale up even further than that. All right. So see, both of those are very, very specifically designed to help different people wherever they are on their journey of entrepreneurship. So Breakthrough with Noah and noahmentor.com. I'll add that there, and noahmentor.com, noahmentor.com. All right. Next, a follow-up strategy, right? Plan how you want to follow up with prospects who have shown interest but haven't yet purchased, right? So it's very obvious that not everybody who lands on your webpage will buy on day one, right? In fact, probably only 1% will do it right away, right? I'm sure you've heard numbers that say, well, you need at least 7 touches. It's more like 21 touches. It's 3 times more than that now. Why? Because there's so much noise out there, right? And there's so many fake gurus and so much misinformation. So what you want to do, one of the things you want to do is automate using clicknoah.com, what I just talked about. So using ClickFunnels, that's the thing that I use and recommend. That's what you do. You automate it. And we have things called follow-up funnels, right? And I actually do that in my 7-figure machine course and in the 12-week breakthrough course. I actually I hand you these automated systems. So it's just fill in the blank, paint by numbers, right? I hand them to you right there when you join me in the 12-week breakthrough or 7-figure machine, right? It's right there. All right. So after implementing your sales systems, you got to review what's working, what can be improved. What gets measured and reported improves exponentially. So I give my coaching clients the paint by numbers framework to study, improve your leads, increase your sales so you can scale your business to the moon, right? So now take action. Put this systems in place, the sales system into action with your next prospect. Pay attention to their feedback and your own comfort level. Refine as you go. So why do you want to do this? What are the benefits of doing this, what I'm showing you right now? It streamlines your sales process. It improves your conversion rates. It automates routine tasks, provides clear sales pathways, enhances your client experience. So they'll tell more friends about, right? So I have a referral-based business, right? Most of my business comes from referrals because people know, like, and trust me. They get great results and they tell their friends, right? That's what you want. Reduces the sales cycle time and increase revenue predictability. Why does this feel awesome? You're not just hoping for sales. You created a clear pathway for them. You don't want to hope and pray. You want to do it. You want to build that pathway. This system means less stress and more success in converting leads to clients. Remember, systemizing your sales is a journey that requires careful planning, patience, and persistence. You need the right plan, the right tools, and the right support. So if you want my personal help so you can streamline your sales process without losing the personal touch, apply to join my 12-week breakthrough program right now at breakthroughwithnoah.com so we can bring your vision to life. So just go right there, breakthroughwithnoah.com. You can watch that video, click that green button, and schedule your breakthrough consultation with me or one of my success coaches, and we will map this all out for you and show you exactly how you can put it into place so you can get results just like my clients, people just like you, and you can watch these and read these and then schedule your call at breakthroughwithnoah.com. All right. And I encourage you to do this, and I look forward to seeing seeing you in Breakthrough with Noah, seeing you in the 12-week breakthrough. And I'll see you in the next module, because this is going to be very, very important for you as we start to double your business while working less. All right, I'll see you in the next module.